Hi! In front of me is OPPO A16 and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply iOS Launcher on this Android. Start by opening Play Store, tapping on the search bar and typing in iOS Launcher. Following that, you need to download this free app from this developer and choose Open. Now select while using the app and Allow in the pop-ups, and when you're ready, choose Home button. Then go into Settings, choose App Management over here and click on Default Apps. Following that, you need to choose Home app, so must click and tap on iOS Launcher. Then choose Got It, and as you can see, Apple Layout was applied successfully on my OPPO. You can always switch between them by going into the same default app settings, and if you wish to go back to your system launcher, just click on it. You can switch to iOS by tapping on iOS 1. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!